Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can withdraw money on Cryptoguru. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, launch the Cryptoguru app on your device. You might notice a balance being displayed on the main screen. It's crucial to know that this balance is virtual. If you see your virtual balance under your funds, it means the money isn't real because Cryptoguru functions as a trading simulator. It's designed for practice, not real transactions. The app uses simulated fonts to mimic the trading experience without financial risk. Since the funds are virtual, there is no real money to withdraw. It's all part of the simulation to provide a learning environment. If anyone suggests you can withdraw real money from Cryptoguru, it's likely a scam as the app is strictly for simulation purposes only. Cryptoguru is a valuable tool for learning and practicing crypto trading without financial risk. Remember, the balance is virtual, making it a safe platform to enhance your trading skills without the worry of losing real money. So that's basically how you can withdraw money on Cryptoguru. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks!